Hey there Grey Mains, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rematch with bosses in Crimson Desert. Now what I want you to do is open up your map. Now what I want you to do is press over to environment right here so you can specifically see the symbol that we are going to be looking for. Now this is the symbol that we are going to be focusing on. As you can see right here, if I hover over this, you can see that it is Kirosh the Slayer, the first boss that you can encounter over on chapter 5. And right next to me is Matthias over on the earlier chapters of the story. Once you see these symbols right here, you can pretty much approach them to rematch with a certain boss. Right now, I'm going to try rematching with Matthias. Now if you take a look on the bottom left of my screen, you can see on the map that the symbol is right in front of me. All you have to do is whip out your lantern and see the apparition of Matthias right here. Now there are two choices for you to take. Over here in Reminisce, if you take a look into the description, it basically says that you have to face off against the boss once more as they appeared on your first encounter. Basically, the strength of this boss will be on the scale of when you first encountered him in the story. For Resonate is the complete opposite. Matthias' strength will be scaling to my character or where I am currently right now in the story. So you can choose either of these. So let me just choose Resonate and just take a moment for it to load in. And now here I am with him on a rematch. And that's pretty much about it on how to rematch with bosses in Crimson Desert.